Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soft Milo ice candy, updated. Measure 1 cup Milo, 1 can sweetened condensed milk, and 2 cups water, then blend until smooth. Pour into ice candy bags or molds, leaving small airspace for expansion, seal securely, and freeze flat. Rotate molds halfway if your freezer allows for even texture. Serve slightly thawed for a soft, creamy bite kids and adults both enjoy. Start by dissolving Milo in warm water using a whisk or blender to avoid clumps and ensure even flavor. Stir in sweetened condensed milk for creaminess and adjust sweetness with more or less condensed milk to taste. Pour the mixture into ice candy bags or silicone molds, leaving space for expansion, then freeze flat on a tray. For extra softness, remove 10 minutes before serving and knead the bag gently to loosen the candy. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like the video to help the channel grow. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Trees Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that pairs oddly well with taking a snack break after cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for your ride. Now let's get back to the video. To elevate your soft Milo ice candy, try adding a splash of evaporated milk or a teaspoon of vanilla for depth. Fold in tiny chocolate chips or crushed biscuits for texture that stays soft when bitten. If you prefer less sweetness, reduce condensed milk slightly and add a pinch of salt to enhance Milo flavor. Experiment with cold brew or espresso for a coffee kick, and always label molds with the date before freezing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.